Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. My greenhouse is here. It might not be the one I actually wanted because it's super expensive, the one I want, but the one that I can afford right now is here and it's outside. And I'm like running like a little kid. I'm so excited. Look, it's here. It's here. Look at it. You guys, it's here. Now I can do my own vegetables and plants. It is here. So I'm so excited. Yes. They are moving my greenhouse to the area I wanted with a forklift. So I'm so excited. So you guys, I'm on the side of where my new greenhouse is, you guys. This greenhouse, I'm gonna show you a picture in a few minutes on how it looked before my cousin actually put the bricks around it, because I did it the opposite way. I actually bought this from a place that make the greenhouse. It's not the glass, but I wanted the brick look, in which I couldn't afford the one I really like Garden Answer, all those beautiful things that she has. I couldn't afford that, so I had to get something that I could afford. And so I wanted that look, so my cousin said, hey, I could put the brick around it and then put some vents on the side so I could have air, and we could go from there and you could have that look. So I was so excited, and he did a fabulous job. Thank you, Keith. And I had this water fountain in the front of my yard, so I decided to put on this tree stump, and I want you guys to see it before we get started on making this whole area. This is the area where we knocked all the trees. If you see up on top, the trees that was there before, and me on that trailer had a team that did it, and I was able to help assist, so I was excited to be a part of that transformation. But as you can see, you could walk around. My cousin actually had made me the brick steps on the way, and it's saying I'm about to get up, scoop this up, but I don't think I have to add now. It's just to fix my floor area and open it up. It has two window vents, but if you open it up, you see I don't have any floors yet. So what I'm gonna do, since this is the area on the side where the plants would go, I'm gonna have this more gravel on each of these sides, and then I'm gonna put a plywood water protect the floor right across the center so I can walk across. And then I show, if you can see back there, I got a water hose attached that goes out the side of this greenhouse, so I can be able to water inside of here. And I'm gonna put some fans on every corner, and then of course a light on top. And I just got the straw in here for right now, so I can put that out in my front yard where the pine trees still exist, where there's not mulching. But I am so excited that I finally got this year. And if you can see, there's brick all the way around. And back here, I plan on putting my garden boxes back here for my vegetables and vegetables out here in the back. I'm gonna put these, create those in a minute. And then if you see, I got the solar system vents that they open and close on their own here, back here, due to the weather. And excuse this is actually my compost pile that I have for my raised garden beds when I created back here. But yeah, that's how it looks, you guys. So you guys get to see how I transformed this area that I knocked all the trees down, and a lot of projects going on. So I'm so excited on these projects that me and my husband are able to do together as a couple. So give us time to spend with each other too, and then my boys when they come out as a family. So it's nothing like family time and hubby and wife time. But yeah, that's how it looks so far. So stay tuned soon, and you guys will see what I'm gonna do. Of course, I'm gonna do a walk path right here, change these border rocks all around, and